Hi, it's Drew here from Drew's Crochet, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to increase a double crochet stitch. Now remember, if you like these videos, please hit the button down there to subscribe to the channel, or even more, you can hit the bell and then you'll know immediately when I give out another video. Right, so if we're looking at how to increase a stitch, all you have to do is remember how to do a double crochet. So it's yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull through a loop, yarn over again, go through the first two loops, yarn over and finish the stitch. Now to increase, all you have to do is do exactly the same stitch in the same place. So we go back, yarn over, back into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over and pull through again. And that, in a nutshell, is increasing a double crochet stitch.